feel like I just broke a spring in my right gimbal. Yep, feels weird as fuck. Oh yeah, this shit's fucked. I'll bring it in.
Motors disarmed.
Yeah, I gotta fucking see about this spring. Just pop right out. See what we're dealing with here. Let's pull this module out first. Take these 4 screws out. Just 2 up here and then 2 underneath this battery door here. Go ahead and pull power. There you go. Start unscrewing.
These tapping screws that goes with plastic are kind of long, so it takes a bit.
The great thing about the Qx-7 is that there's nothing attached to this back shell, so you can literally just pull this off and set it aside, and you gotta worry about wires or anything. Alright, so yeah, you can see where this spring here is snapped. Dang, brother. So I was thinking I can always just swap this spring from my throttle side since it's not really being used. Probably go ahead and do that. Grab some tweezers. So I just basically pulled it off the throttle channel here since it's not being used. Up it on over. There you go. Spring replaced. Freaking check that shit out. Fucking mint. Look at that.
That shit's all fucking boarded up. Damn, I haven't been here since I was a fucking kid. We could do some grinding out here. Little wedges there, and then you got like a sweet little pine tree up here. Do some dives there. Go check it out the side. Some more stairs here. Probably some fucking hobos back here. What the fuck's back here? Bullshit. Some fucking debris down there. I'm kinda sketched out to walk down there, but fuck it, we'll go do this shit. So that could either be emergency power or, oh shit, they're looking for me. Or that could just be, I don't know what the fuck that is. It's fucking debris up the wazoo.
Debris up the wazoo.
Probably where you go fucking smoke crack and shit. Yeah, that was the fucking water filtration bullshit for the fucking ice rinks back in the day. You just got some fucking bullshit debris here and that's pretty much it. And it just goes around. I'm wondering if I can make this shit all the way around the DJI. Give it a try. See if the fuck's good. fucking marble. Glass. Now I'm thinking, where the fuck can I set up to get the best range? I'm thinking it'd be in the corner. Not 100% dead on with the alleys, but also not in the middle of the alley too, so you kind of want to be in the corner to where you can both see both entrances and exits of the alley. So I want to be able to see line of sight of this entrance and that entrance, and preferably like kind of like at a 45-degree space apart. So I don't want to be too wide, or I don't want to be too narrow, because the beam width of penetration of RF, that's just generally how these antennas of these 5.8s, how they're mapped out. So they're mapped out wide enough to where I can get this guy out here and this guy out here. Entrance, exit, or exit, entrance, whatever. Boom. So there's like no good fucking spot to really set up. So I'll probably just either set up here. There's a fucking log down there. That's pretty far, because then I won't have line of sight. There'll be a bunch of vegetation blocking the RF signal there. So I'm thinking like maybe somewhere out in the shade where it's a little bit inconspicuous, and then I kind of have full line of sight here, and then I have somewhat of a line of sight there. I think this is a good spot right here. This will do. Ah, here we go.
Telemetry recovered. Motors armed. Air mode enabled.
Oh, those are right. Not satisfied there. Do a little wall tap here. Whoops.
Air mode enabled.
If I can pick. Almost. Come on, you got it. Oh, almost. Got it. Got him. Oh, I popped off. I want to get back on.
Motors armed. Air mode enabled. Motors disarmed.
Seems to be alright.
Motors armed. Air mode enabled.
I'll send you take from me what you need. It all exists in reality. Take from me what you need. You never let it go.
Motors disarmed. Motors armed. Air mode enabled.
Got him. I got him. Alright guys. Again. Woo!
I wanna see you go.
Oh! I'm like not quite on there. I'm just like kind of.
I do you see that?
Motors armed. Air mode enabled.
Again. Let's do this. You got this. Come on.
I do you see that?
Fucking finally. There you go. I'm disarmed. Props are off. Nothing. Check me
Motors
out,
armed.
dog.
Air mode enabled. Motors disarmed.
Check me out, dog.